welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you to one of my favorite antique shops here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm not going to do a ton of talking. I'm just going to let you relax, enjoy the nice, relaxing music, and show you all of the beautiful things that I found in the store today. I absolutely love this place, and they always have a variety of lovely finds, especially those shabby chic finds or those French country antique finds that I absolutely love. At the second half of today's video, I'm also going to show you how I recovered an antique chair that I found at a shop in Arizona a few weeks ago. I had so much fun doing that, and it was really easy to do. So a little after the 6-minute mark, I'm going to show you how I did that. You're also going to want to make sure that you follow me over on my Instagram. I'm leaving my handle up here on the screen, or you can click on the link in my description box. These milk glass lamps were absolutely stunning. I thought they were so beautiful. If I had a place for them, I would have grabbed those up immediately. I also loved this shabby chic looking chandelier. Let me know down in the comments what some of your favorite antique finds were, if you found something for a really good deal or just something that you really loved that was just such a great find. Let me know down in the comments, and let me know where you live and where you found it. Okay, so this is the chair that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. It is absolutely gorgeous. I did go back and forth on whether I should paint this white and distress it or not, but the wood on this piece was just so beautiful. I didn't want to mess with it. However, I did want to recover the seat top right here. I wanted something a little more bright and a little more neutral, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'm first going to remove all of the trim, and I have to tell you, when I was doing this, I felt so guilty, like I was just ruining a beautiful piece. But I love the way it looks now, and it just fits better in my home and the rest of my decor. And this fabric was definitely very old because it ripped so easily. So it was nailed in and the nails were really rusty. So as I was trying to rip the rest of this fabric off, you can see that several pieces of it were sticking to those nails. And I originally was going to remove all of those nails, but I was so worried that I was going to scratch up the wood here, so I just removed it the best I possibly could, and then I went ahead with covering it with my fabric. So I went ahead with a beautiful cream colored damask fabric, and I thought this fabric was so beautiful. I wasn't quite sure which side was the right side up, but either way, I liked this side better. I think it just fit better with the chair and the look that I was going for. So once I place my print where I want it to go on my seat, I'm going to trim off as much fabric as I possibly can, and then I'm going to pull it nice and tight and use a heavy duty staple gun to staple it nice and secure in place. So once I have it all stapled up and nice and secure, I'm going to trim off as much fabric as I can, the leftover that you can see at the bottom. And then I have this beautiful cream colored trim. I purchased this trim on eBay several years ago. It's just been sitting in my sewing room, so I was happy that I didn't have to go out and purchase any new trim for this. And then I'm going to take my glue gun and glue it nice and secure. I did notice that since this trim was really thin, I had to add an extra layer, and it worked out perfectly. So now I'm just going to quickly show you what the chair looked like before, and as much as it was just as beautiful, the green fabric was just not my style, so I really wanted to switch it up, and I am so happy that I did because I absolutely love how this chair turned out. I think it is just so incredibly gorgeous, and here is what it looks like now. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed the shopping trip with me and this little DIY of this seat cover. If you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button before you click out. Leave me a thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video. Make sure that you stop by in the comments and say hi, and I hope to see you all in the next one. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and thanks again for watching. Bye!